Welcome to this presentation on analysis of the causes of intestinal obstruction in children to see the impact of the results on healthy life. This research was conducted by Dr. Waleed Khalid Ahmed Al-Jumaili et al. And published in 16th August 2023. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about a critical health issue affecting many young lives: intestinal obstruction in children. Imagine your child or a child you know suddenly experiencing severe stomach pain, vomiting, and unable to pass stool. This could be intestinal obstruction, a condition where something blocks the normal flow in their digestive system. Did you know that intestinal obstruction is one of the most common reasons children worldwide need emergency hospital care? It's a serious condition that requires immediate attention. Our research dives deep into understanding why this happens in children, particularly in Iraq, so we can better protect their health and well-being. To understand this complex problem, our team embarked on what you could call a medical detective mission. Imagine we're trying to solve a puzzle. What causes these blockages in children? We carefully examined the cases of 42 children, all under 14, who were treated for intestinal obstruction in different hospitals across Iraq. We collected detailed information from their initial symptoms, like tummy pain or vomiting, to the specific causes of their obstruction, and even types of operations they underwent. All this data, these crucial clues, were then put into a powerful computer program, like a super smart assistant, to help us find patterns and draw clear conclusions. Think of our slide visual as a magnifying glass hovering over a child's medical chart, with a map of Iraq in the background, symbolizing our focused investigation. So, what did our detective work reveal? The big win here is that we've pinpointed the most frequent causes of intestinal obstruction in Iraqi children and, critically, identified the most common complications after surgery. We found that children under 14 are most affected, with a slight majority being boys. The leading causes included conditions like Hirschsprung's disease, malrotation, and adhesive bowel obstruction. But here's a crucial finding. After surgery, a significant number of children, about 36% of our patients, faced complications like surgical infections or persistent fever. This tells us that while surgery addresses the blockage, preventing these follow-up issues is just as vital for a child's full recovery. Now, let's talk about what these findings mean for the real world. This study provides a vital roadmap for healthcare professionals in Iraq and other similar regions. We confirm that intestinal obstruction is a major issue for children, especially infants. Knowing the specific common causes, like Hirschsprung's disease and malrotation, helps doctors diagnose faster and plan the right surgery. Crucially, our findings about high rates of surgical infections after operations highlight an urgent need for better infection control and post-operative care. This isn't just about statistics. It's about equipping hospitals with the knowledge to improve every step of a child's treatment journey, from diagnosis to full recovery. In conclusion, our study has shed light on the specific challenges of intestinal obstruction in Iraqi children, identifying the most common causes and, critically, the high impact of post-operative infections. So, how will this research change your daily life or the lives of families in the next 5 years? For every parent, this means that if their child ever faces this scary condition, doctors will be better equipped to diagnose it quickly, perform safer surgeries, and prevent complications like infections. This research will directly lead to children receiving faster, safer, and more effective treatment for intestinal obstruction. It means less time in the hospital, quicker recovery, and a reduced risk of serious, long-term health issues. Ultimately, it paves the way for healthier futures for countless children and brings peace of mind to their families.